Laptop air dusters are essential for removing dust buildup, preventing overheating, improving airflow, extending device lifespan, and maintaining optimal performance. My today's video is about top 5 best laptop air duster that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Wolf Box Air Duster. This electric air duster stands out as a powerful, practical upgrade over traditional compressed air. Its removable 22.2 Wh battery system ensures uninterrupted cleaning. Just swap batteries and keep going, with up to 100 minutes of runtime at low speed. The high-performance brushless motor delivers an impressive 87.5 meters per second jet airflow, instantly removing stubborn dust from PCs, keyboards, and electronics. 3 adjustable speed settings provide precise control for both delicate and heavy-duty tasks. The included 4 nozzles and 2 brushes add real versatility, making it suitable for home, office, and even outdoor use. Lightweight at only 0.85 pounds, it's easy to carry while traveling or camping. With over 500 reusable cycles, it's far more cost-effective and eco-friendly than disposable air cans. Backed by a 24-month warranty and responsive support, this duster offers performance, reliability, and peace of mind in one compact tool. Now our second product is Fresnel Air Duster. This electric air duster delivers impressive performance with a high-speed 100,000 revolutions per minute motor and 3 adjustable airflow settings, making it easy to tailor power for delicate electronics or tougher debris. With up to 2.51 ounces of blowing force, it removes dust quickly and efficiently. The built-in 7,500 mAh battery supports 20 to 40 minutes of continuous use and recharges in just 3 to 4 hours via Type-C fast charging. A clear LED display shows real-time battery status and wind level, adding welcome control and convenience. Unlike disposable compressed air cans, this rechargeable blower is eco-friendly, reusable, and cost-effective. Integrated LED lights help illuminate dark corners for more thorough cleaning. With 5 nozzles and 3 brushes, it handles everything from keyboards and car interiors to barbecue charcoal and inflatable toys. Lightweight, portable, and equipped with multiple safety protections, it's a reliable all-in-one cleaning solution. Our third product is Vasen Air Duster. This electric air duster delivers exceptional cleaning power thanks to its advanced brushless motor spinning up to 260,000 revolutions per minute. With a maximum wind speed of 45 meters per second and 260 G of pressure, it effortlessly blasts away stubborn dust from keyboards, PC towers, car vents, and tight crevices. 3 adjustable speed settings let you fine-tune airflow for delicate electronics or heavy-duty cleaning. Despite its strength, the duster remains highly portable at just 0.68 pounds, making it easy to carry and store. Type-C fast charging fully powers the device in about 3 hours, while the low-speed mode offers an impressive 150 minutes of runtime. The included nozzles, brush, and storage bag enhance versatility, extending use beyond cleaning to inflating, barbecues, and outdoor tasks. Built-in overheat protection and a comfortable silicone handle ensure safe, reliable operation, making it a powerful and practical alternative to disposable compressed air. Now number 4, JSCAM Air Duster. The JSCAM X3 electric air duster delivers impressive performance in a compact, travel-friendly design. Powered by a 130,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, it produces up to 180 G of blowing force with wind speeds exceeding 45 meters per second, strong enough to rival extreme weather conditions and easily dislodge stubborn dust from tight crevices. 3 adjustable speed settings allow precise control for delicate electronics or tougher cleaning tasks. With 4 interchangeable nozzles, it's highly versatile, handling keyboards, car interiors, air vents, inflating gear, or even acting as a mini cooling fan. The dual 2,500 mAh batteries provide outstanding runtime, offering up to 240 minutes on the lowest setting, while Type-C fast charging keeps downtime minimal. Weighing only 0.45 pounds, it fits easily into a bag or pocket. Durable, reusable, and eco-friendly, it's a powerful alternative to disposable compressed air cans. And our last choice is Rel Idle Air Duster. The UltraBlow VC023 air duster delivers professional-level cleaning power in a compact, portable design. Driven by a 100,000 revolutions per minute motor, it produces strong compressed airflow capable of removing up to 99% of dust in under a minute. The upgraded knob-style control makes operation intuitive, allowing seamless switching between 3 airflow modes to suit delicate electronics or heavier debris. Built with durable ABS housing and advanced safety protections, it's designed for long-term, worry-free use while remaining lightweight and comfortable to hold. Its versatility truly stands out. With 5 nozzles and 3 brushes, it handles everything from PCs and keyboards to car interiors, sofas, and air conditioners. It even doubles as an inflator and barbecue fire starter. The 7,500 mAh battery delivers 20 to 40 minutes of runtime, while USB-C fast charging and a clear LED display provide convenience and control. A powerful, reusable alternative to disposable air cans. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.